Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great Sunday. We're about to get into this what's in my bag, and it's this Cafe Juicy Couture bag. And she has a little heart on the outside right here. And then I added this bear with the black and the red on the front. And it comes with a wide strap. So if you want to put it on your shoulder or wear a crossbody, I guess you can. It does have a wide strap on it. Okay, so let's see what I have inside. This is how she's looking inside. Right there, so I have my cell phone on the top. So I guess that's the first thing, my cell phone. And I put this red case on here. I tried to incorporate the bear colors in with the bag. So I have my cell phone in this red case. In the front pocket, I have my 2 pens. And then I have this Barbie lotion with the black and the gold. I said to incorporate the bear. The next pocket, I have my Yummy lip gloss from CoverGirl, and I have my e.l.f. lip oil. So got those two. I will be putting my keys on this lanyard that I got from Victoria's Secret. Alright, in the front here I have my wallet, and this is Juicy Couture wallet. And this is how it looks in the inside. I just got to put my cards in here. I started putting things in here and I stopped. But anyway, I just got to put my cards in here. But anyway, it has 4 card slots on this side. And then it has a slot here. And then a zipper slot for your coins. And then another zip pocket here. And one on the back, slip pocket. So yeah, this is how I like this little wallet. So yeah. Next, I have my, I had to put my ear pods in here, but my ear pods going to be going in this little case, this little Juicy pod case. And then I have my other ear pods. And then I have this little Coach wristlet in here, and this is my bathroom pouch. And in here, I just have my bathroom spray, soap sheets, feminine wipes, antibacterial wipes, makeup remover wipes, alcohol wipes, and lens wipes. So it's all in here. I have my tissues, my extra set of keys. I have this little Hello Kitty mirror, and it has the blotting sheets in here. I have my orange and ginger hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works. I have my iWalk charger. And this is my Bath and Body Works strawberry pound cake. And I have my little boba tea pouch. And inside here, I have some candy, I have some ginger, some gum, some Jolly Ranchers. So yeah, that's what I got in here. I have my planner in here. And then that's all inside the pocket. So in the zipper part, I just have my cleaning cloth for my glasses and my sunglasses, my fork, spoon, and knife, my flashlight, some crystal light, and flossers. Okay, so that's it in the pocket. So that's everything that I had in this bag. I'm going to set everything up so you can see everything I had inside it. Okay. see. Okay, let's see. All right. Everything set up here for you. All right. My charger, set it up there. Alright, just about got it all set up so you can see it. Alright, well there it is. That's everything that I had in my bag. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. And until next time, bye.